Hey, in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your Corsair keyboard with Stream Elgato application and assign your G buttons. So in my case I'm using the K55 keyboard, and still in the IQ application you can assign some buttons, but in the Stream Deck you will get definitely more functions. So what we have to do, first of all, we'll have to open our browser and enter for the official elgato.com website. When you are on this website, you will have to navigate into the right side on the downloads. So click for the downloads. Now we'll have to scroll down and select our product. So click right here, and from here we have to go for the Stream Deck and select Stream Deck Mobile. And here we have to download this Stream Deck 6.5.0 version. So let's get it. Right now we can sign up, but I'm gonna actually skip, and we have to select continue with download below the sign me up button. Now we can follow your download. It goes pretty fast, and after a few seconds we'll be able to actually go for the installation process. Now I can open this file. In my case, I've got this information from the Microsoft Store, so I have to click to install anyway. And now I have to click next, accept the license, click next. From here we can pick the installation location. I'm gonna stay with the default one, but if you want to change it, you can just click right here and pick any folder that you want. Then click next, click install, and now we got this installation status. We just have to wait until it fill this bath. Now from here we can find the information that we want to make changes on our device, so we have to click yes. From here we can find some apps that we have to close. In my case, I will have to close my OBS, but I'm gonna click do not close application because I'm just simply downloading. I'm just recording right now, so click OK. Click OK one more time. And now we are waiting for the installation process. Now when it's finished, we'll have to click on this finish button. And in my case, as you can see, this application just automatically pops on my screen. So if for some reason it is not turned on automatically, in your case, just open it from the desktop. You can find this Stream Deck icon. So when you double tap with the left mouse button, you can actually find the G buttons that you can actually customize. So as you can see, in my case, I've got my old save for the buttons, and it's actually for the OBS. Now if I want to, for example, put something from, I don't know, maybe some navigation, or maybe I'm gonna get something from the system. If I want to get this website open, I have to drag it to the button G2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Let's go for G6, for example. Now I'm gonna input the title. So I'm gonna pick my website. And from here we have to input the link. So I'm gonna actually input www.youtube.com. And now it is finished. From here, when we click on the plus, we can actually open it and change the icon of this button. But I'm gonna stay with the classic YouTube button. And when you click, you can also import the custom icons. Now if I click on the G6 button, I will open the YouTube application. So as you can see, that's how it looks. If you are looking for some other videos for this keyboard or for the Stream Deck, just take a look for the description on this video and click on the playlist below. Right now, please subscribe, and see you in the next one.